Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 13 update with Lore. So how is it going so far?
It's really good. I just want to do such a big happy dance right now. I can't even believe how good it is. Yeah.
So did you lose any weight?
Yeah, I lost 2 pounds,
Yeah, so how much do you weigh today?
143 pounds.
I think this is a new record, right?
Yeah.
Like, I think you mentioned before that last time you saw this weight that was 11, 12 years ago.
Yep,
something
11 years
like
ago.
that,
Yep.
Right.
Yeah.
You already hit your goal a month ago, 4 weeks ago.
Okay. Yeah.
Which was 146.
Yeah.
Then you decided to change it to go a little bit lower, right?
Yeah.
So at least for the last month, you are not gaining back the weight you lost before,
No.
and actually you are setting up like a new goal for you and changing your final goal now. So,
Yes.
so you are not satisfied about 146, so you decided to go lower a little bit.
Yeah. Because I
So-
can.
Wow.
Because I can.
Yeah, no questions about that. Yeah, because it has been a month since you hit your goal. Now you are in the maintenance mode and you still can enjoy the food you like. So it's not
Yes.
like you are following restrictive diet or approach, or
Right.
So can I say that you are enjoying what you like, and on the same time you are in control when it comes to managing your weight?
Oh, for sure. Oh yeah. I have no fears. I mean, I still kind of think this is too good to be true, but I really don't have any fears. I think if I gain, I know how to lose. And so if I eat and enjoy some things or have an event or whatever, I'm not at all afraid to gain that weight because I know within a couple days actually I can just
So,
lose it.
in your opinion, why people, when they lose some weight, like they would be very concerned about, not to gain back what they lost?
Well, I think because it's so hard to lose weight normally. It's so hard to lose weight, so that if you gain, it's like, oh, like this. But now I have no problem. I know I can lose it like.
So,
Right away.
what's the secret? What's the secret? You feeling in control.
Okay, yeah. So I haven't felt this control over my eating, my food, my weight. I don't think I've actually ever felt this much control over
Yeah.
my weight gain.
So is it like the knowledge? It's your.
Oh, yeah.
So
Oh
I
yeah,
think
so
that's-
all that we've learned, this is totally different than what I've kind of come to know. I've read a lot about losing weight. I've, tried to control my own, the calories in, calories
yeah.
out, and exercise and burn up all what I ate. And that I've struggled with, and it's always really hard work. And now that I'm older, I can't do the calories out like
Yeah.
I used to. And so this new training, this new thinking, the concept you've taught us is, I can do it.
It's different approach.
Very different,
That's right.
but
And-
it's very easy.
And it
actually.
seems to be working.
It is working.
Excellent, excellent.
Yeah.
So I look forward to have a collaborative with you next week and see if you will change your mind or, or not.
We'll see.
Good. Thank you.